Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day.
Credai Mackay, Thane's 22nd Property Expo receives an overwhelming response. The 22nd Property Expo, organized by Credai Mackay Thane, concluded recently after a 4-day showcase that drew a remarkable response from homebuyers and industry stakeholders. The event featured over 100 projects from 40 renowned developers and 10 financial institutions, attracting more than 20,000 families. Attendees explored a diverse range of properties, and organizers expect many serious buyers to proceed with purchases in the coming months. The expo also hosted insightful seminars and panel discussions on emerging real estate trends and sustainable development. The digital version of the expo will remain active for the next year, ensuring accessibility for those who missed the physical event. Suraksha Group secures RERA revalidation for stalled JP Infratech projects. Suraksha Group has secured revalidation of RERA registration for 7 stalled JP Infratech projects in Delhi NCR, comprising over 10,000 residential units. This approval, following Suraksha Group's takeover of JP Infratech through insolvency proceedings last year, paves the way for expediting construction and providing relief to homebuyers. The projects, including JP Green's Cosmos, Crescent Homes, and Pebble Court, are set for phased delivery starting December 2025. The resolution plan also involves significant investment to revive stalled projects and settle debts with lenders and authorities. Efforts are underway to secure revalidation for more projects to ensure timely completion. Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara. Palike to set up 1,000 e-Khata kiosks to streamline property registration in Bengaluru. The BBMP is launching 1,000 e-Khata kiosks across Bengaluru to simplify property registration and reduce a backlog of 1.4 lakh pending applications. Currently, only 1.6 lakh out of 22 lakh properties have obtained e-Khatas. These kiosks will be operated by volunteers who have successfully registered their e-Khatas and can assist neighbors in uploading documents through BBMP's system. A nominal fee will be charged for the service. The first kiosk will open in HRBR layout next week. BBMP is also improving its online portal to enhance accessibility, aiming to ease Bengaluru's rapid urban expansion challenges. Haryana RERA directs developer to refund INR 5.8 lakh with 11% interest over project violations. The Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority, HRERA, has ordered a developer to refund INR 5.8 lakh with 11% annual interest to Bharat and Poonam Gupta, citing violations of the Real Estate, Regulation and Development Act, 2016. The buyers alleged that after booking a flat in Mahira Homes in 2019 and paying the required amount, the builder failed to issue receipts, provide a sale agreement, or secure necessary approvals. After the builder canceled the booking and refused a refund, HRERA intervened, finding the developer in breach of legal requirements. The ruling underscores the importance of stringent enforcement of real estate laws to protect homebuyers. DTCP launches major crackdown on unauthorized buildings in Gurugram authorities. In Gurugram launched a major enforcement drive last week, targeting illegal constructions across the city. The Department of Town and Country Planning, DTCP, led the operation, demolishing unauthorized structures at Idea Cosmic Plaza, Alipur, and Raisina villages. Officials dismantled 2 ramps, a gym, and 2 offices at Idea Cosmic Plaza while clearing 69 acres of illegal developments in Alipur and Raisina. Legal action is underway against developers and brokers responsible for misleading buyers. Authorities urge prospective investors to verify land approvals to avoid financial losses. Strict enforcement measures will continue against future violations. Visakhapatnam. VMRDA prepares land use maps for expanded jurisdiction to guide urban planning. The Visakhapatnam Metropolitan Region Development Authority, VMRDA, is mapping land use for newly merged mandals, covering 2,456 Sirmain Skam, to develop a master plan. Using DGPS and topographic surveys, VMRDA will digitize cadastral data and overlay satellite imagery for accurate land assessments. The expansion follows the 2020 and 2021 jurisdictional extensions, adding 14 mandals. The maps will integrate utility data, infrastructure networks, and approved layouts to ensure sustainable urban development. This initiative aims to provide structured regional planning for Visakhapatnam's growth, aligning future infrastructure needs with expanding urbanization. Uttar Pradesh. State enforces quality checks on EPC projects with independent audits and expert reviews. The Uttar Pradesh State's Planning Department has introduced an SOP for all government projects exceeding INR 50 crore under the EPC mode to enhance quality and durability. Independent auditors and civil engineers will evaluate raw materials and structural integrity. Departments must allocate 0.5% of the project budget for third-party audits. Quarterly technical reviews will be conducted at key construction stages. The PWD's 2023 guidelines will aid implementation. Final stage checks will ensure proper drainage, waterproofing, and firefighting systems. Officials believe early independent assessments will improve project outcomes, reduce long-term maintenance costs, and uphold high construction standards for state infrastructure projects. Uttarakhand Metro. Enhancing connectivity and sustainable urban growth across Dehradun, Haridwar, and Rishikesh. The Uttarakhand Metro is a transformative 73-kilometer light rapid transit system designed to ease traffic congestion and improve connectivity between Dehradun, Haridwar, and Rishikesh. With two primary corridors, the project will feature modern trains, eco-friendly technology, and state-of-the-art amenities, aiming for completion by 2026. This ambitious INR 40,150 crore project, funded through a collaboration between the central and state governments, will also serve as a catalyst for economic growth, boosting real estate development and business activities along its route. The Uttarakhand Metro promises a cleaner, faster, and more sustainable transportation solution for residents and visitors alike. MHADA drives efficiency and sustainability with a 100-day action plan. As part of Maharashtra's 100-day action plan, MHADA has launched a wide-ranging initiative to improve administrative efficiency, citizen services, and environmental sustainability. Under the leadership of VP and CEO Sanjeev Jaiswal, the organization carried out a large-scale cleanliness and record classification drive, actively engaging over 700 employees. The initiative also includes introducing citizen-centric measures, enhancing digital services, and promoting eco-friendly waste disposal practices. By setting a benchmark for public sector reforms, MHADA aims to improve its public image, employee morale, and operational efficiency, creating a replicable model for other government organizations. Delhi infrastructure. Kundli Ghaziabad Palwal Expressway transforms NCR connectivity. The Eastern Peripheral Expressway, EPE, a 135-kilometer, 6-lane corridor encircling the NCR, diverts over 50,000 non-Delhi-bound vehicles daily, reducing pollution by 27%. Officially inaugurated in May 2018 at an investment of INR 11,000 crore, it features electronic toll collection, weigh-in-motion sensors, and solar-powered lighting. Environmental measures include 250,000 trees and rainwater harvesting every 500 meters. With seamless connectivity via interchanges, flyovers, and underpasses, EPE has boosted real estate and industrial growth in Kundli, Palwal, and Bagpat, marking a significant step in India's sustainable infrastructure development. Heritage buildings find new purpose as cities tackle housing and infrastructure needs. India's rapid urbanization has led to a severe shortage of affordable housing. Adaptive reuse, which repurposes old buildings for modern use, presents a sustainable solution by integrating heritage conservation with urban renewal. Projects like Mumbai's Bendi Bazaar redevelopment and Vadodara's Alembic Industrial Heritage Development showcase its potential. The former is replacing outdated structures with modern towers while ensuring free housing for residents, while the latter transformed a 113-year-old factory into an art and cultural hub. Despite benefits like environmental conservation, economic revitalization, and cultural preservation, challenges such as structural constraints, high costs, and regulatory hurdles persist. Government incentives, public-private partnerships, and streamlined approvals are essential for expanding adaptive reuse projects in India. A residential flat spanning 1,411 square feet sold in Oberoi Garden City, Thane, Phase 1, in Thane's Pokhran Road for INR 3.25 crores. A residential flat spanning 735 square feet sold in Lodha Amara Tower, 6,022, in Thane's Balcombe, for INR 1.05 crores. A residential flat spanning 800 square feet sold in Thane's Kavasar for INR 1 crore. Noida residents protest over 100,000 pending registries, demand swift resolution. Residents from 32 societies in Noida, including sectors 7X, 137, 141, and 167, staged a protest over delays in property registries, affecting nearly 100,000 homebuyers. Around 25,000 pending registries belong to the 7X sector alone, impacting over 150,000 residents. Some homebuyers even took their protest to the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, seeking wider attention. Protesters demand the implementation of the Amitabh Kant Committee report and UPCM's intervention, urging local authorities to auction builders' assets if necessary. Frustration grows as delays, especially in supertech projects, stretch for years, leaving buyers in financial distress and uncertainty. Yeida earns INR 106 crore from hotel plot auctions near Noida International Airport. The Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority, YEIDA, successfully auctioned multiple hotel plots near Noida International Airport, generating INR 106 crore, 12% above the reserve price. Equus Socio-Digital Technologies secured the highest bid at INR 31 crore for a 4,000 SKM plot. Other notable buyers include Balaji Enterprises, Ranker Infra Developers, and Net2Source Consulting. Additionally, Bharat Petroleum acquired a fuel station plot for INR 12.2 crore. With investments exceeding INR 200 crore, these deals reflect strong investor confidence in the region's hospitality and commercial growth ahead of the airport's opening, positioning Noida as a key business and tourism hub. Chandigarh MC rejects property tax hike proposal amid financial concerns. The first General House meeting under Chandigarh's new mayor, Harpreet Kaur Babla, turned heated as the municipal corporation MC proposed a property tax hike, which was unanimously rejected. The proposal suggested raising commercial property tax from 3% to 12% and residential tax by 5% to address financial struggles. Opposition parties strongly opposed the move, citing economic hardship. Despite the MC's comparison with Mohali's higher tax collection efficiency, officials emphasized improving compliance before imposing hikes. As financial challenges persist, the MC faces pressure to enhance revenue without burdening residents. Indian REITs distribute INR 1,505 crore in Q3 FY25, marking 17% annual growth. Four major REITs, Brookfield India Real Estate Trust, Embassy Office Parks REIT, Mindspace Business Parks REIT, and Nexus Select Trust, distributed INR 1,505 crore to over 260,000 unit holders in Q3 FY25, marking a 17% annual increase. The total assets under management, AUM, of Indian REITs now stands at INR 1,52,000 crore, with a market capitalization exceeding INR 95,000 crore. The rise in distributions is attributed to higher rental collections and strong asset management. With growing investor confidence and a stable regulatory framework, Indian REITs continue to offer steady returns, making them a lucrative investment option. Ajax Engineering to raise INR 1,269.4 crore through offer for sale. Ajax Engineering, a leading manufacturer of concrete equipment for the construction industry, is set to raise up to INR 1,269.4 crore via an offer for sale by its promoters and investor, Kadara Capital. Kadara Capital will divest its entire 6.5% stake, reducing the promoter group's holding from 93.5% to over 82% post-IPO. The company dominates the self-loading concrete mixer, SLCM, market with a 75% share and benefits from the government's infrastructure push. However, its performance is tied to economic conditions, and the promoter group must reduce its stake to 75% over the next 3 years. With a robust business model and an asset-light approach, the company offers an attractive investment opportunity for long-term investors. TARC Limited reports reduced net loss in Q3 despite strong sales growth. TARC Limited, a new Delhi-based real estate developer, reported a net loss of INR 28.69 crore for Q3 FY25, improving from INR 33.48 crore last year. Despite ongoing losses, the company saw a 6.6% increase in total income to INR 11.21 crore. A major highlight was its strong sales performance, securing INR 165 crore in Q3 sales and INR 1801 crore in collections. Total sales for 9M FY25 reached INR 2,487 crore, surpassing last year's figures. CEO Amar Sarin emphasized market confidence and future expansion, positioning TARC for continued growth in luxury real estate. Kolte Patil Developers shows robust recovery with strong Q3 FY25 performance. Kolte Patil Developers has announced a net consolidated profit of INR 26.33 crore for the quarter ending December 31st, 2024, a significant turnaround from a loss of INR 6304 crore in the same quarter last year. The company's total consolidated income rose to INR 369.28 crore in Q3 FY25, compared to INR 83.73 crore in the corresponding period of the previous fiscal. CEO Atul Bora highlighted strong operational performance during the first 9 months, with milestone sales of INR 2,161 crore and collections of INR 1,729 crore. The company also entered a joint development project in Pune with the potential gross development value of INR 4,000 crore. Brigade Hotel Ventures secures SEBI nod for INR 900 crore IPO. To expand hospitality portfolio, Brigade Hotel Ventures, a subsidiary of Brigade Enterprises, has received SEBI approval for its INR 900 crore IPO, marking a strategic push for growth in India's hospitality sector. The company operates 9 hotels across Bengaluru, Chennai, Kochi, Mysuru, and Gift City, with 1,604 keys under global brands like Marriott, Accor, and IHG. Proceeds will fund expansion amid rising domestic travel demand. JM Financial and ICICI Securities are managing the offering. Brigade aims to strengthen its market presence and capitalize on favorable industry trends as the hospitality sector sees renewed momentum.
That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.